Think about this for a second. Your phone isn't just a tool for scrolling social media or chatting with friends. It's actually one of the most powerful money-making devices you already own. In 2025, people around the world are earning real income directly from their phones, and you can too. Today, I'm going to share 10 proven methods that let you turn your phone into a genuine money-making machine. These aren't just ideas. They're verified ways people are earning right now. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start earning immediately, whether it's a little side income or the start of a full-time digital career. 10. Start with paid surveys and app testing. One of the easiest ways to begin earning money from your phone is through paid surveys and testing apps. Companies are constantly looking for feedback on their products, services, and apps, and they pay for it. Platforms like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and user testing make it simple to share your opinion and test apps for cash. The advantage is flexibility. You can do this anytime, anywhere, without any special skills. Even dedicating just 30 minutes a day can result in $50 to $100 per week. While this won't replace a full-time income, it's a great starting point to understand how online earning works. Think of it as a low-risk way to dip your toes into the digital income world. 9. Freelancing directly from your phone. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, social media management, or even simple data entry, freelancing is a step up from surveys. Apps like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer let you offer your services and communicate with clients right from your phone. What makes freelancing powerful is the growth potential. Beginners may earn $20 to $50 per project, but as you build your reputation, experienced freelancers can make hundreds per assignment. With just a phone, you can manage messages, submit work, and track progress. Freelancing allows you to turn your skills into real money and can even grow into a small business if you stay consistent. 8. Selling digital products. Digital products are one of the smartest ways to earn using your phone. These could include ebooks, templates, guides, stock photos, or even mini software tools. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Ko-fi make selling simple. The beauty of digital products is that you create once and sell repeatedly. Your phone can handle everything from generating ideas, marketing on social media, and communicating with customers. Yes, it requires some initial effort and creativity, but once it's up and running, it can become a steady stream of income. For many, this turns into a long-term source of revenue that doesn't demand constant input. 7. Affiliate marketing made simple. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money using just your phone, and it can be surprisingly profitable. The concept is simple. You promote a product or service to your audience, and every time someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. Apps like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank make it easy to get started, even if you're a beginner. The biggest advantage is that you don't need to handle inventory, shipping, or customer service. Your phone becomes your marketing hub. You can share links on social media, in blogs, through short videos, or even via messaging apps. With authentic recommendations and the right strategy, beginners can start earning within a few weeks. Over time, as you build trust and reach more people, affiliate marketing can scale into a significant income source. Consistency, creativity, and honesty are the keys to long-term success in this method. 6. Create content on short video platforms. In 2025, short video platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are huge opportunities for making money. Creators can earn through brand sponsorships, ad revenue, and product promotions. All you need is your phone camera and a good idea. Start with trending topics, tutorials, or fun, entertaining content. Consistency and engagement are key. Platforms reward creators who post regularly and interact with viewers. Unlike other methods, this can scale fast if you catch the audience's attention. A single viral video can multiply your earnings, making this one of the most exciting ways to monetize your phone. 5. Print on demand and custom merchandise. Print on demand services let you sell items like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without holding inventory. Apps such as Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble manage production and shipping for you. You focus solely on designing and marketing. Your phone is enough to create designs using apps like Canva, upload products, and track sales. Once your designs are live, you can earn money even while sleeping. This method combines creativity with passive income potential, making it a smart long-term strategy. With a few unique designs and proper promotion, your earnings can steadily grow over time. 4. Take on micro-tasks. Micro-task apps offer small, simple jobs you can complete in minutes. This could involve tagging images, testing websites, reviewing content, or running errands. Apps like Amazon Mechanical Turk, TaskRabbit, and ClickWorker make it easy to start. These small tasks are perfect for filling gaps in your day. Even if you spend only 15 to 30 minutes a few times a day, completing multiple micro tasks can generate a reliable side income. Anyone can start immediately, and you don't need advanced skills. For those looking for a flexible, low-effort way to earn, this is an ideal choice. 3. Sell your photos and videos online. If you love taking photos or recording videos, your phone can turn that hobby into cash. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pond5 allow you to sell your content to businesses and individuals worldwide. High-quality photos and videos in popular categories, like lifestyle, nature, or technology, can earn recurring income. Once uploaded, your work can be purchased repeatedly by different buyers. This method turns your phone into a portable studio and gives you the ability to earn long-term from content you create naturally. It's a perfect mix of creativity and strategy. 2. Online tutoring and coaching. The demand for online education has skyrocketed, and your phone can connect you to students worldwide. Whether you're skilled in math, languages, music, or fitness, platforms like Preply, Cambly, and Skillshare let you teach and coach remotely. You can schedule sessions, conduct video calls, and manage payments entirely from your phone. Tutors earn anywhere from $10 to $50 per hour, and experts in a niche can earn significantly more. Beyond the financial benefits, this method helps you establish credibility and expand your personal brand. Teaching online is both rewarding and profitable. 1. Build your own mini online business. Finally, the most impactful way to earn using just your phone is to create a small online business. This could be a drop-shipping store, a subscription-based service, or a niche website monetized with ads and affiliate marketing. With your phone, you can manage social media marketing, communicate with suppliers, track orders, and handle customer service. While this requires more effort and learning than other methods, it also has the highest earning potential. Many people start small and grow these businesses into full-time ventures, entirely managed from their phones. The biggest advantage here is control. You decide your niche, strategy, and scale. With consistent effort, your phone becomes a full-fledged income-generating machine. Patience and persistence are key, but the payoff can be life-changing. From paid surveys to creating your own online business, these 10 methods show that earning from your phone isn't just possible, it's practical and scalable. Some methods provide quick side income, while others have the potential to turn into a full-time business. The most important thing is to take action. Start small, pick a method that fits your skills and interests, and stay consistent. Even dedicating a few hours a week can lead to real results. The technology is already in your hands. Now it's up to you to use it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more verified strategies to make money online. Also, drop a comment below about which method you're planning to try first. I'd love to hear your success story and follow your progress. Remember, in 2025, your phone isn't just a device. It's a tool, a studio, an office, and a marketplace all in one. Use it wisely, and you can start earning real money today.